O my here, kwakran someone customary no. E ho kwa na me bo ho. Sanka nyame madum na customary no de dom no. Omuntwem and it can happen. Because everything is possible. Kwasi aba obitimi tina salima fun tantan we kronfo ba we. Etimi tina se ebeka se eye ni de se. Let me give you the decline when it comes to the laws of the land. Enye nunjo kwadofosu. Omo ode ni omo twa no hia ni nyina yetimra eni mumra ete emrase. You bab investment bo bi ano ara mu ya twa odobro ni wa hia ya kwade Yenya lawyers, ye man free legal counseling. Ye man free legal counseling. Yenya lawyers, be your lawyers. Ye be free legal counseling and a free legal protection. And our ears is on the ground. Our eyes is on the ground. I'm saying it and I'm saying it again. He gave me only one assignment and one assignment to protect his legacy and his children. He gave me only one assignment and one assignment. And it's not too difficult. He gave me only one assignment and one assignment to protect his legacy and his children. And it will be over my dead body for me to sit and fold my arms for some networks, illiterate, nincompoops, scallywags, foolish women like you to ruin his legacy. It will be very, 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 very sinful of me to fold my arms and watch scallywags like you, thick-headed, networks like you, nincompoops like you, to run down the legacy of my uncle. Now, no school I'm here when me gonna sing. Kwasi aba obitimi tina salima fun tantan we kronfo ba we. Etimi tina se ebeka se eye ni de se. Let me give you this quick education, Pacho. Appeal ye ko appeal. Mama me educate mo. Okoya appeal ye mfa nipa megina ho emebo nkro utie dia mega. So we say okoya appeal. This is how appeal is done. Appeal ye mfa obi megina adaka mu mane mekana asemo. Asem na wo de ko ye no, judgment na ye de bae no. E na wo betro letter say judgment 1 2 3 4 meni wonya adwene. Appeal na ye de ma case. Appeal, going for an appeal is basically like rehearing the same case. Going for appeal is yem fro obi amani ni jinadakam. Appeal ye jinadakam. Appeal ye monkro. Appeal ye jinadakam. Ye monkro. Ye nchreya semu. Wasem na wo kan obetro. Se judgment no ahana mani nye ho. Na watro de agubuku mu. Na de akoma judge for me nsa. No matna se akan mo nsem na mo de ba na anu. Ensem na yakodi ye no. This time mo de album na book de akoma wo mo. Na yakan judgment. Na yakan witness statement. Na ye de compare the baby na mo se mo ntia ase no. Of which I want to know. Although Bruni so lawyers are actually say no more can no any no correct. Therefore, the appeal will be rejected or will be accepted. And the appeal no come. Mo file mo de mo book ni ko here. Ni ama mo date of hearing, date of judgment. Mo ko tie. In this case, mo ko tie. Now Odo Bruni so won pair. No ko Supreme Court. I know case no de court no any judgment na judge na de buy na me ma kan no minim judges of for do a on betumi overturn this judgment no. That's the problem. Cases no de court no any judgments are me reading no minim de omotro e de ko overturn judgment no. Here, the crack somewhere a customary no. A hokwa na me boho. Sanka nyame madum na customary no de dom no. Omuntwem. And it can happen. Because everything is possible. Said the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Everything is possible. When a fear is involved, me make it to a more. It come a last breath. Me the betcha with the entire fear was nigga. No, it come a last breath. As a mumu be more young. It come a last breath. Kwa me the betcha with the entire go. I said, get away, Fanny Niago. Muchasni tremtreba. Sheni. Odo boni amine tria muka. Patroni Akosua say was here friend Akosua she. Akosua she when am no de it is a demon can't have sabo 11 minko. A mommy can kwasi assembly you and who are losing. Fajini Frago. The loser is your mother. Fajini Frago. You and who are losing. Fajini Frago. As I say, if we are losing, am I your relative? If you are losing in life, lose. I don't lose anywhere I go. If you are losing, stick to yourself. Don't say we. You know me anyway. Don't worry. Only Brony, only marketer. We could die right. Me ko dware ni di Akosua she. Akosua she aka nationwide kunafo. Kuna mu meet and greet. Eso. Adenya. Executive producer will make you lumba. Na papa she na mo yene. Executive producer I will make you lumba. Papa she na hoye Papa she ni ampon. And I'm hoye because ampon baby as we need executive producer. We need be that. Me ko dai Maame money. Koda. Awine. Atepa be kwa wine. Awine. Atepa be kwa wine. Shanti papa. Awine. Atepa be kwa. East Coast, West Coast, someone. Atepa. Shanti papa. Awine. Atepa. East Coast, West Coast. Shanti papa, Moabe. Hey, me Moabe. Hey, me di for frame, Moabe.
I was already any some if you're just nigga ever can a Ghana for any Maame Akosua Serwaa just say any asem kitwa kra. I had him say Ghana vote so me social video ni we now watch your agent e dia fa ho ama me. Nyame hwam said and then na mo Ghana info makram.